Today I'm hanging out at Weber HQ and I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite things about the Weber Searwood pellet grill. First, we start off with temperature, and the Searwood can definitely handle that, from that low and slow 180 degrees smoke boost to that 600 degree searing edge to edge, giving you a much bigger sear zone. With the flavorizer bar inside the Weber Searwood, now you're gonna get direct flame cooking, giving you some of that flame-kissed flavor with a little bit of wood-fired fun. Another great feature is the Weber Searwood is now rotisserie and griddle insert compatible. Imagine adding a rotisserie to your pellet grill, allowing you a 360 degree smoke bath. And then when you add the griddle insert, switch it into manual mode, you are now griddle cooking on a pellet grill with the lid open. The Weber Searwood comes Weber Crafted ready, which means now you can switch out the grill grades, add in the Weber Crafted frame kit, and add everything from a griddle to a pizza stone. And lastly, when you're done with all of your cooking adventures, Weber makes cleanup easier with the Pull and Clean grease management system, allowing you to scrape your ash and grease, remove the pan, you are done and ready for another cook. Talk about an amazing day at work here at Weber HQ. Now, to learn more about these cool products from our friends at Weber, be sure to stop by your local Ace or visit us at acehardware.com.
Ace is the place with the helpful hardware.